source of all, water. You can go days without eating and still survive, but days without water, and we all know, we are in trouble. But not all water is created the same. Japanese anti-aging research conclusively discovered that we are born with cellular water that has a predominantly linear structure to the water molecules. Tap water and regular bottled water have a clustered non-linear shape, making it difficult for the body to absorb. In our youth, we are able to easily convert large clustered water into the linear structure that the body recognizes and needs. As we age, like so many processes in the human body, our ability to convert water into the necessary linear structure is significantly reduced. So even if you drink plenty of water, you are not truly hydrating. Could this be why research shows that even with global water consumption at an all-time high, that 75% of the world's population, even those with a clean bill of health, are in fact chronically dehydrated? There are many wellness experts who believe that the rapid aging syndrome, which we are increasingly experiencing as a society, and where ailments usually associated with old age occur way too prematurely, is primarily triggered by stress and chronic dehydration, while also intelligently energizing the water, resulting in truly optimal hydration. The super liquid eye water not only thoroughly hydrates, it also helps dissolve and then transport nutrients where they are needed, and supports the body's natural ability to flush out unwanted toxins. Even recent Nobel Prize-winning research validates the critical nature of water in a linear shape.
There is a toxic accumulation in every one of our cells. The wonderful thing about the Gia Eye Water product is that it allows you to put water into those cells, so the intracellular collection of toxins that no detox can touch, it's actually flushed out of those cells.